Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a very important topic to talk about, especially if you are into trading cryptocurrencies, especially on large cryptocurrency exchanges such as Bitmex. Today we are going to be talking about trading bots. Do trading robots help a lot of people become profitable, and how reliable are trading bots, and why do people need to use trading bots, and which people are most likely to benefit from trading bots. So we are just going to basically talk about all those questions. And by the way, this video is not really scripted, it's not really sponsored by anybody. I'm just going to be giving you my full and filtered thoughts, because I really believe this is information which is very substantial, especially to people who are trading on cryptocurrencies such as Bitmex. But the first thing that I really want you guys to do is, if you guys trade on Bitmex, I really want you to look at the order book. I really want you guys to check out the activity that is really happening on a lot of cryptocurrencies, like for example XRP. XRP is one of those cryptocurrencies which uses where a lot of trading bots are used, because a lot of those orders are not very organic. A lot of them are so sophisticated, you can't really understand where a lot of these buy orders or sell orders are coming from. It's very hard for you guys to figure out, because they are using automated machines which really use a lot of sophisticated patterns. So I just want you guys to go to Bitmex, go to a lot of different exchanges, but I really want you guys to focus on Bitmex, because this is where a lot of these people are investing a whole lot of money. So I really want you guys to understand that when you are trading with margin, or rather when you're doing leverage trading, right, you are competing against machines. So this is one of the reasons why they say that a lot of people really end up losing their money. So if you guys really want to trade with margin, you have to be extremely careful, and you have to know exactly what you're doing, because you are dealing with AI machines, and you're bound to lose your money. So it's very important for you guys to really understand exactly what you're getting yourselves into. So before I keep on talking about a whole lot of stuff, first of all, would love you guys to understand what type of people trading bots are supposed to, are catered for, if I can put it that way. If you guys are into just buying cryptocurrencies and just pretty much getting to hold your cryptocurrencies for a very long time, then you don't really need to have a trading bot, because a trading bot essentially does the trades for you. You guys can pretty much get to suggest the risk tolerance that you want to have. For example, if you want to have a very high risk tolerance, you can pretty much configure everything. So if you guys are the type of people who just want to buy certain cryptocurrencies and just keep them for a very long period of time, aka hodling it, then you don't really need to use a sophisticated machine in order for you to do your trades. But if you are a person who wants who wants to benefit from the volatility of the market, and you don't really have a lot of time to do the trades on your own, because you might be occupied with something else, like maybe you've got a job or something, but you really want to be active in the cryptocurrency market and take advantage of the price fluctuation, then you obviously need to use a trading bot. And this is really going to be beneficial for you, because trading bots are way better than humans, because they really analyze and they work without emotions. A lot of traders really tend to lose a lot of money because they are constantly working against their emotions. They are becoming very greedy, and they are obviously doing wrong things when the signs are very clear. But when it comes to programmed machines, they just work specifically on rules. You have to set a certain configurations here and then, and they just stick to the plan. So this is why overall they really tend to do extremely well. And for example, a lot of people really don't have those reflex responses when it comes to reacting to the prices, so it's very beneficial for you to just use a machine, and it's really going to do the automatic trading on your behalf, and that you're really going to end up making way much more money. Personally, I've been using and experimenting on a whole lot of different trading bots, and they are very profitable as well, especially if you find the right ones. Of course, you can find free ones like online, but you guys already know when it comes to free material, you obviously don't really get very good quality type of services, and it's very hard for you to configure them, and it's very hard for you to like have a very good risk management configuration type of scenario. So it's very important for you guys. So whatever type of trading bots you're going to be able to like use and experiment with, please make sure that they are working properly, that they have been tested, that they have been proven to be very profitable. So this is very important. So obviously cheap trading bots are not very reliable. This is one of the reasons why they are very cheap. So the prices obviously range. There's very cheap ones from about $100 all the way to about $1,000. So it just depends on the functionality of these trading bots. But I really want to highlight the fact that you guys don't really have to like necessarily just simply choose any trading bot without considering a lot of stuff, because there's a lot of configurations which are really supposed to be using a whole lot of different trading bots, and risk management, the types of trading indicators that you can configure. Like for example, if you guys are into Bollinger Bands, if you guys really want to like use EMS plus a whole lot of trading indicators, right? There's a lot of different trading bots that have got like different configurations. So if you're going to be able to if you're going to implement a trading bot on your account, right, you are supposed to have trading bots which are really going to suit your type of trading scenario and your type of trading characteristics, if I can put it that way. And you have to be very safe, because you want to have a trading bot which is very fast, which is very responsive, and just besides looking at the technical aspects of trading, right, you also have to look at the fundamental aspects of something. Like let's say for example there's like some news which is out there, right? You obviously have to have a trading bot which also filters out a lot of information when it comes to cryptocurrency related material on the internet, because you know how it is, a lot of factors affect the prices of the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So it's very important for you guys to like use a trading bot which has got artificial intelligence, a trading bot which can go out there, crawl through the internet, and just figure out a whole lot of stuff besides just looking at the technical aspect of everything, right? The fundamental aspect is also very important as well. So it's very important for you guys to like use very sophisticated trading bots, and these sophisticated trading bots range in prices, because obviously if you want to have very high quality trading bots, right, the amount of money that you invest in that trading bot also has to be very decent as well. Like for example, you can get very good trading bots from anything which is going to be between 3,000 all the way to about 25,000 US dollars. Like within that price range is very reliable. So it also depends, just like I told you, on the amount of cryptocurrencies you're going to be able to like trade with. Like let's say for example you get a trading bot which costs about, let's say, 20,000 US dollars, right? Like for example, with that trading bot, you're going to be able to have an account which has got about 40 to about 60 BTC. So it just depends on the functions of the trading bot and the amount of assets that you really want to have in your account in order for that bot to manage that account as well. Plus remember what I told you, the risk management aspect has to be very decent as well. You guys have to be able to like customize your trading bot and give it specific instructions in order for it to have like very good risk to reward management as well. Plus you also have to configure the type of trading strategies it's going to be implementing. It also has to look at the fundamental aspect of everything. Like for example, having artificial intelligence going out there on the internet, looking at social media, and just pretty much getting together all these types of informations. Those are the types of trading bots that you are going to be able to find. And by the way, there's obviously different strategies that can be used. For example, you can use trading bots in order for you to have arbitrage. You can also implement market making. A lot of cryptocurrency exchanges usually use trading bots in order for you to have very good market making scenarios as well. So yeah, those are the things that I really wanted to talk to you guys about. So if you guys really want to like go out there and search for a trading bot, be extremely careful, because a lot of these cheap trading bots, they are very sketchy. They are very difficult to handle and obviously configure. So if you really want like a great trading bot, I have a few recommendations out there. So you can obviously have a consultation with me. Plus, I'm also going to give you like more details, and you guys are going to be able to like verify everything. So before you do anything, we're going to have like a very good, in-depth type of discussion with you, and then we're going to figure out what really works with you. So I have a few recommendations of one of the best trading bots out there. Like, this thing is really unbelievable. So if you happen to have like a mining pool, if you happen to have a very good account which really needs to be taken care of when it comes to asset management and all that stuff, so please let me know. My email is going to be in the description box. Obviously everything is legit, everything is going to be verifiable. So yeah, before you get to like purchase everything, or before you get to like make your decision, you're going to have a consultation. We're going to handle everything. So please let me know in the comment section below. Check out my email. What else is there to say? I mean, you guys should obviously enjoy your trading experience. Have a great time. Be good, be safe, make money, do what's right. And I'm obviously going to be talking to you guys a little bit later. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and talk to you guys a little bit later.